so I'm back again with another video, and today I'm going to show you what cases I'm using for my iPhone 17 Pro Max. So the case that I have on here now, it's called a Temdan clear case. It's like $5 on Amazon. I'll put in the description below. I really like this case for $5. It's really nice, but the only thing I don't like is that it has like this cutout here that exposes the aluminum, and I'm kind of worried that it'll scratch. So, but if you're interested in this, it's great for $5. It's really nice. I've been using it for the last week until I got my Spigen case. I always buy this case for all my iPhones, and I particularly like this one because it looks like it has a cover for this piece of the phone, which would be really great for protecting this aluminum from all the scratches and everything. So I'm gonna unbox this and go from there. And there we go. I kind of feel like I like the way this looks, but you know, it is what it is. All right, thank you for watching.